see the story of sound U. The name of this letter is U and the sound of this letter, here comes the story. So, Amar was a smart boy. One day, he went to the market to get some toys, and there he saw a beautiful urn and a teddy bear lying under the table. Under the table. Yes, and when he was coming back to home, it suddenly began to rain. And Amar wanted to come out in the rain. So the shopkeeper gave him an umbrella. And Amar became very happy and he came out in the rain and started dancing and singing like, up goes umbrella, up, up, up. Up goes umbrella, up, up, up. Up goes umbrella when it starts to rain. Up goes umbrella, up, up, up. Up goes umbrella when it starts to rain. Okay, children? So, the sound of letter U is up, up, umbrella, up, urn. Okay, so practice this sound at your home.